But now Chihuahua, okay, now last time she carry you.
Now she what?
No, say that my girlfriend, she tell me say if I not buy a Chihuahua or Lhasa, say I not go marry her.
An opportunity.
But I not get money to take buy this kind of dog, but it's an expensive dog. How we got do one now?
No, Lamba.
Word of life, have
Word
you?
of life, I swear.
Now to give her a word of life.
I believe you.
Excuse me. Hello. Fine, how you doing now?
Hi.
Sexy. What up now?
Hello.
I like the dog. What's the name?
Oreo.
Huh?
Oreo.
Oreo. So beautiful. As you pass, I say make I just help you with something. Yes, because if I not tell you, my conscience will judge me. If you go die untimely, I'm not going to sleep. God forbid. You cannot die untimely.
God forbid.
My sister said God forbid.
God forbid.
Yes, because what happened say for Lekki 2 days ago, 2 of my friends they die.
What happened?
Yes, now they have this kind of dog, Lhasa and Chihuahua, and there's the present sickness that these dogs they have. It's called coccidiosis and Newcastle disease.
Wow.
They kill owner of these dogs, as in anyhow.
No. Please.
People they die anyhow now. We get this kind of dog. As me, I just tell you, me not die. So,
kill me, I beg.
Eh?
I beg, don't be dog go
so
kill me, I beg.
just throw it, do away with the
I
dog.
beg go. So what are you going to do with the dog now?
No, like me, I dey use am take do pepper soup, so I fit use am for pepper soup. And if the fire don't touch am, all the disease don't die, so I fit eat am.
No, I beg.
So, thank you. God bless you, my sister.
No, thank you.
You
Please.
make heaven,
Thank you for saving my
Yeah,
life.
good. Don't buy this kind of dogs again.
I won't,
They are
never.
killing people now. Yeah. Man, I don't win this one. Oh. I don't win this one from the girl hand.
Wait. What do you tell?
Eh?
What do you tell?
I give her a word of life now.
Which actual word you tell?
As I give her a word of life, now I win the dog. Now what for you? No winner man.